Everything you thought you knew about cleaning car windows is 100% wrong. Meet Emily, a self-proclaimed car care wizard who's about to reveal her magic trick for spotless windows. On a crisp Saturday morning, she pulls out a spray bottle filled with a peculiar concoction. While her brother Max, a skeptical mechanic, watches from the sidelines, Emily tackles the stubborn grime on her windshield. Instead of the usual streaky mess, the windows appear crystal clear, as if kissed by a fairy. Bewildered, Max can't help but ask, "What's your secret?" Emily smiles, gesturing to the ordinary bottle, which isn't filled with any fancy cleaner, but a simple mix of vinegar and water. Max shakes his head in disbelief, amazed at how underestimated household items can transform the mundane into something miraculous. So next time you think your view is clear, try Emily's trick and see the world anew.